So next topic is quantum number and its significance. So using this formulas and values, we are going to see some significance, how to find out the subshell, and how to find out the orientation of the orbital. So we've seen 4 quantum numbers. So now we're going to see only 3, but last one tells about only the spinning of electrons. So we're going to study about only 3 quantum numbers. So first one is principal quantum number, second is azimuthal quantum number, and third is magnetic quantum number, and last one is designation of orbitals in a given shell, that is subshell. Okay. So principal quantum number where symbol n, suppose you take n equal to n1. So azimuthal quantum number formula already we know, L is equal to n minus 1. Magnetic quantum number formula, m is equal to 2l plus 1. Its value ranging from minus m, 0 plus m. In case of azimuthal quantum number, values ranging from 0 to n minus 1. Suppose substitute, first you take principal quantum number n. So when first you write the symbol, principal means n, azimuthal quantum number L, magnetic quantum number m. So first we will take principal quantum number n is equal to 1. Substitute that one value in the formula. So formula is L is equal to n minus 1. Substitute the n value, so we get the L value is 0. Substitute this L value in the magnetic quantum number formula, m is equal to 2l plus 1. Substitute this L value in the above formula, so 2 into 0 plus 1, so we get only 1. So m value 1 means you have to write the value. They said value ranging from minus m, 0 plus 1, but you get 1 means first you have, whenever we get magnetic quantum number value somewhat 1, 3, 5, 7, first you have to write the middle one, that is 0. So here m value is 0. M value is 0, value is 0, but orientation is 1. This 1 only we write this 0. After seeing some example, at least you make that of this topic. So M value is, that is orientation is 0. Then subshell. Subshell already we know, if it is L equal to 0 means subshell is S. So L equal to 0 means subshell is S. Here n value is 1. So in this case orbital in a shell is 1s. Once again telling L value 0 means yes. Here taking n value 1, so it is 1s. Suppose you take n is equal to 2. So n is equal to 2 means substitute n value in the azimuthal quantum number. So 2 minus 1, 1. But in this case they said value ranging from 0 to n minus 1. So first one is 0, so as it is we write 0. Second one we get the L value 1, so you have to write it as L equal to 0, L equal to 1. Suppose if it is L value 2 means 0, 1, 2. Suppose if it is L value 3 means 0, 1, 2, 3. So you have to write like this. So same way, substitute this 0 value in M, you get 1. So 1 means M value is 0, so orientation is 1, 0. In case substitute L value equal to 1 in the above formula, so 2 into 1 for this one, m is equal to 2l plus 1, 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 3. So m value 3 means, and I said suppose you get m value 1, 3, 5 means first you have to mention 0, middle one, the value. So out of 3, 1 we put 0, balance we have 2, so I write it as minus 1 plus 1. So out of m value 3, that is orientation 3 means we have to write it as, first we have to write middle value 0. So 3, 1 is over, balance we have 2. This 2 we have to write it as increasing, decreasing. So minus 1 plus 1. Same way for subshell, L is equal to 0 means yes, but here n value is 2, so we have to write 2s. In case L is equal to 1 means P, here n value is 2, it is 2p, because why put this 2 means for this whole value it is n is 2. Same way next n equal to 3 you try. So n is equal to 3, substituting in formula, so 3 minus 1 you will get 2, so L is equal to 0, L is equal to 1, L is equal to 2. So substitute this 0 in the above equation, you get m value 1, so you have to write only the middle value 0. Substitute this 1 value in the above equation, we have seen 3 means middle we have to put 0, out of 3 1 is over, so balance we have 2, so you have to write it as decreasing 1 and increasing 1. You count the number of values 1, 2, 3, so m value is 3. Okay, suppose substitute L is equal to 2 in the above formula, so m is equal to 2L plus 1, so 2 into 2 plus 1, so we get 5. So here m value is 5, so we have to write first middle value 0, there's 1. So out of 5, 1 is over, balance we have 4. So 4 we can split it as equally as decreasing 2 and increasing 2. Okay, minus 2, minus 1, plus 1, plus 2. Now you count the number of values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So m value is 5. So you have to write this. This one they call it as orientation. So this one they call it as orientation. Next you try the subshell. So L is equal to 0. 0 means subshell is S. Here n value is 3. So we write it as 3S. Here L value is 1. So subshell is P. N value is 3. So 3P. Same way. L is equal to T. 2 means D. N value 3. So write it as 3D. Same way we try for n is equal to 4. So n is equal to 4 means L value, it is n minus 1, value 0 to n minus 1. Azimuth magnetic quantum number 2L plus 1, m equal to value minus m, 0 plus m. Last one is subshell. Substitute n equal to 4, substitute in the above equation. So 4 minus 1, 3. So you can write it as 0, 1, 2, 3, because 4 minus 1, 3, you have to write it as 0, 1, 2, 3. So L value 0 means substitute you get value 0. So already seen m1 means you can write it as minus 1, 0, plus 1, 2. When you substitute here 2, you get 5. 5 means middle one you put 0. Out of 5, 1 is over, balance 4. We can equally divide it as, so minus 2, minus 1, plus 1, plus 2, because the range is minus 2 plus. Next you substitute L equal to 3 in the above equation. So m is equal to 2L plus 1. So 2 into 3 plus 1. So 7. 7 means middle value is 0. So middle value is 0. Out of 7, 1 is over. So balance we have 6. 6 is equally divided into minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. You count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we get 7. So 2 into 3, so 3 is 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So F for orbital orientation is 7. So we'll write subshell L is equal to 0 means S, n value is 4, so 4S. Same way for L is equal to 1 means P, here n value is 4, so 4P. L is equal to 2 means D, here n value is 4, so 4D. L is equal to 3 means F, here n value is 4, so write it as 4F. So these are all about a quantum number and its orientation. This tells about the orientation. You try for n is equal to 5. Suppose I said if S orbital m is equal to 0 means it is S orientation. If it is minus 1, 0, plus 1 means it is P. If it is minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2 means it is D. If it is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2 and plus 3 means it is F. So always remember minus 1, 0, plus 1 is P, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 plus 2 is D. Same way they given the orientation. Suppose if they given 1 means 0 means s orbital orientation is 1. So we have to draw only 1 orbital. In case of P, we get the orientation is 3. 1, 2, 3. So you have to draw 3 orbitals. 1, 2, 3. So this is the orientation of atomic orbital. Here D value is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to draw 5 orbitals. Same way for F. F is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to draw 7 orbitals. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 orbitals. So this is about orientation of orbital. That's why in the spin quantum number I said, suppose to fill the electron, suppose s orbital maximum electrons to fill is in azimuthal we seen subshell is 2 p orbital. So each orbital accommodate only 2 electrons. So s orbital has only 1. So one possible is 2 electron. P orbital is 3, we have 3 orientation. So 3 into 2 we can fill up to 6 electrons, maximum 6. In case of D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, each orbital accommodate 2. So 5 into 2 we can fill up to 10 electron. Same way for F, 7. So 7 into 2, 14 electron. That's why in the principal quantum number we see maximum electrons and the subshell value is 2, 6, 10, 14, and for G it comes as some value. So these are, at least you make the of this first 3, because first 3 is maximum important, next one they won't ask. So in the higher classes, first 3 is very important. So in the spinning I said, if it is upward arrow means clockwise plus of, if it is downward arrow means anti-clockwise minus of. So these are about orientation of atomic orbital. It is an important topic. Always make the of this. S means 1 single, that is 1 orbital. P means 3 orbital. D means 5. F means 7. How this value comes is because of this quantum number. So next we will see shape of orbitals and the radial distribution.